It's solving or selling. Guys, you and me, there is one thing common between we all. We all sell. We all sell something or other, maybe in some different ways. Right from the beginning, we are all selling something. And if you are doing a job, or whether you are a corporate or whether you are a businessman, you are selling something. I am a corporate guy and I am selling my ideas, my thought, my experience, my education, and of course my time to my company. If you are in a business, you are selling either a services or a goods. So everyone among ourselves, you and me, we are either selling something or other, right? So whenever I am talking about here, I am talking about selling. Selling is ultimately what we are doing. We are selling, we are solving the problem. I consider myself as a problem solver, not a seller. Yes, we are doing selling ultimately, from other way, this way or other way. We are selling everything. But top of that, I am considering myself as a problem solver. And guys, believe me, whenever you sell something, whenever you solve something, you will get the returns. Means you sell something, you get some returns out of that. They don't consider the only selling. Here I am not talking about any specific product where I am selling to anyone, whether you sell pain or pleasure, whatever you sell, but you at the same time you solve also. So according to me, in my perspective, it's a solving, not selling. Guys, let me tell you, money comes automatically. It's a byproduct. If you solve a critical problem, money will follow. The finance part will follow, but before that, you should able to solve a critical problem. You solve the critical problem of someone so that you will get benefiting. Ultimately, what you are doing, you are selling. Yes, even today I'm a corporate guy. I'm selling myself to my company with my time, with my experience, with my knowledge. So it's ultimately, but at the same time, I'm serving them. I am solving some of the issues of my companies, and this is ultimately selling. But I consider that as a solving, not a selling. Guys, let me tell you, this is my perspective. Your perspective may be different, what is selling or solving. I am just trying to put my perspective in across that we should always solve, not sell. Concentrate on only selling part. Here I would like to mention one thing, that whenever you go online to buy something, for example, you need one tripod. Since I am just standing in front of tripod, so I need a tripod. But whenever I go online to purchase tripod, a manufacturing company who is providing that tripod, they have solved my problem, which was my need, which was my want. So they solve my problem, and for that reason the tripod is available on the social platform, and I bought that tripod, and it's ultimately solved one of my issue. And because of that, I trade in money. I gave some money, they gave me a product, and the selling is done, but at the same time the problem solving was done. Don't you think so? In other ways, it's a selling, it's not selling, it's a solving a problem. In a e-learning business, we also do the same thing. We solve some of the other problems so that we sell it. If you are a Excel, for an example, let me just put this thing like this. If you are good in Excel, if you are teaching Excel to someone, means you are solving someone's problem that is based on the Excel. And when you solve someone's problem Excel, when you get money out of that, money, like I told you, money is a byproduct. it's anyway going to follow. So what we have done is we have solved the problem, and ultimately we solve it. So guys, according to me, it's a solving, not selling. This is my perspective, your perspective may be different. Do please share your valuable feedbacks regarding my topic, my body language, my content, and my way of presentation. I would be updating many more such videos in my upcoming segment. Please do watch. Thank you very much.